Hello friends, glad to have you back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the complete method to customize keyboard settings on your Poco M8. If this guide helps you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and enable the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Now let's begin and modify the settings.